Don't forget to click the link down below to enter $150 giveaway.
Did you know you can bring in some bucks by strategically using YouTube? Here are some tips and pointers on how to make money online creating videos and putting them up on YouTube. 1. Pick your niche. Just like any other type of marketing or list building efforts, you have to pick a niche. That is the first step. 2. Select keywords. Next you have to select your keywords. You will want to have several keywords. You don't want to build a series of videos just around 1 or 2 words, right? So find a bunch of some short or long tail that fit your niche. Make sure when you are starting out that you pick keywords that aren't too competitive, or finding your video will be like finding a needle in a haystack. 3. Create a video. Once you have your niche and your keywords, you create one video that revolves around your main keyword. One of your goals is to get people to subscribe to your YouTube channel, so you can actually have a request at the end of the video asking people to subscribe. This can either be you actually saying the words or by having text at the end that instructs the viewer how to subscribe and why. Put your domain within your video. You want to drive traffic to your squeeze page, so include that URL in your video, and a lot of people who watch your video will go there and opt in. Start with one video and then you can repeat the entire process after you are done. 4. Upload the video. Upload your video to YouTube, and now you are going to use your keywords in your title, your description and your tags. A lot of people forget this step, and it is one of the keys to successful video marketing. Another thing people often overlook is the thumbnail. The title and the pictures are the first things that viewers look at. They use them to decide if they are going to open the video or not. So if your thumbnail is not the image, you will have fewer people looking at your video. Make both your title and thumbnail exciting and appropriate, you will have better clicks. 5. More traffic. Now it is time to get even more views. You can sponsor your video to a related video that is already getting a lot of views. To do this, search for YouTube videos that relate to one of your main keywords. Find some that are getting a lot of views and make a video response that has your video information in it. This allows you to leverage off that successful video's traffic. Click the link down below to learn the strategy that has been used by million YouTubers to get high targeted traffic that will generate you a lot of money. Click the link down below.